project is hashtag her story of art. We're gonna do like 4 sessions, but we're gonna start with 2 sessions today, 1 session the next Monday. On next Wednesday we work at home, yes, and the last session that we have is on the next Friday. How veiled and hidden is the image of women artists in history? This is the question. Anyone?
I can guess. I never have been creation made by women. Work in the house, raise the children.
Okay.
They were considered intellectual inferior.
Do you think the education of women is to raise their child?
In the past, culturally, yes.
Okay. Lara?
I of course agree with that, but there always have been women in our history. The big problem here is the accidental version of this. It's the narration. We raised us, they raised us with a narration, with a specific sexist, racist, and all this.
We're going to do Rosalind Martin.
Yes.
Okay. It's gonna be difficult to find some pieces of art because it's kind of unknown in the art history, but it's okay because it's so cool.